how to file your own taxes with Turbotax. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, before creating your account, you need to have some documents with you, like your social security number, government issued ID, it can be your driver's license, and W2 form or 1099 form. And you would also require earned interest on investments, medical bills and receipts, mortgage interest and property taxes. In case if you have incurred education expenses, then you need to bring the documents for it too. Documents for small business expenditures is also required, and in case if you are contributing in retirement, then documents certifying your retirement contributions is also required. And in case if you have made any donations, then charitable donation receipts will also be required. Now, in the second step, we need to set up our account with Turbotax, and for that, just simply open up the website of Turbotax, then click on this option of sign up, and here you would require to fill some information about you in order to create your account. For this, just provide your email address, your user ID for Turbotax account, and the strong password, and also your phone number. So let me provide my information over here. And after you provide your information, in next page it will send you a verification code on the phone number that you have provided. Just type that verification code over here and click on continue. Now wait for it to load. After that, you need to go through 3 different steps. In the first step, it will ask you about your information and we'll get to know about your filing status. So you need to provide your information like your date of birth, your zip code, your name, your marriage status, your previous financial year's status, and all sort of information about you in order to assess your taxability. And after that, on the basis of your answers for the first step in this process, you would be shown different prices according to you and different options. So you need to choose one of the option as per your requirement, and after that you need to go ahead with another step and then choose how you want to fill your taxes. So just simply click on this option of let's go. Now it will ask you about your information, just choose it accordingly. And after selecting all the appropriate options, just simply click on this option of continue. Now in the next step, it will ask you whether you feel comfortable filing your taxes or not. Just tell them however you feel like. And after assessing the information you have just provided, they will be providing you some plans for you as per your requirements and your needs. So you can just choose any of the plan, and you can also start for free and only pay when you file the tax. So let's get into it. This is how it will appear for business profile. You need to provide some details about your business and you would be able to do it. Now let's switch it to personal taxes. And for personal taxes, you need to go again, and instead of choosing business over here, you need to choose that you have a job and you are getting paid through it. This way they will be analyzing your information in a different way. Then click on continue. And when doing for personal taxes, the prices reduces significantly. That's obvious for sure. Then select any of the plan that you want to choose according to your requirements. Then select start for free. Now over here, you need to type your first name, last name, date of birth and zip code. Then simply click on this option of continue after that. Then it will ask you how did you do your taxes last year. Just select any of the option according to your situation. Then click on continue. After that, if you have filed your taxes previous year, they will ask to provide the return for that. You can just simply upload the document for it. And in case if you haven't filed the taxes before, this is the window you will be able to see. Now select the information appropriately. Then click on this option of continue. Then it will ask you some more information about your finances like crypto sales, dividends or bank account interest, any sort of information. Just provide it with transparency. Then click on continue. Just provide the information as you deem it fit. Then as per the information that you provided, they will be asking some more information. Like if you choose that you have dependent children, then they would be asking some more information about it and all sort of other things. Just simply click on this option of great, keep going. Now in case if you want your information to be shared with them, the Turbotax platform, then just review and sign. Otherwise you can just simply click on this option of skip for now. and according to the information that you have provided, they will give you the estimated time that will be requiring in order to finish this particular process. So just simply click on this option of continue, just click on this option of let's go, and after that it will require some of your information. Then you need to fill the federal tax information, and for that you would be requiring to upload documents, and you can also write the information of the documents if in case you want to write it manually. And after filing the federal taxes info, you would be requiring to file the state tax information, and for that not much information will be required from your end, as it will retrieve the information from federal taxes information that you have already submitted, and this way it will be able to calculate the taxes for the state, and this way you would be able to complete this particular process quite easily. After that you will have to choose your refund method, and the options available for refund is direct deposit, prepaid debit card, paper check via email, or you can also select your refund to be credited for the next year's taxation. This way you would be requiring to pay less amount of tax next year, as it will be deducted from your next year's taxes. And you can also choose your refund to go towards US savings bonds. This way your money will be invested in the bonds of US government. So just choose it appropriately how you want your refund to be given to you, and after that you can just simply review your taxes info, and after that just file it, and that's how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.